learners, welcome back to my channel, My Master SMS. In this video, we will be learning cubes from 1 to 50. As I discussed in my previous videos, mandatory things to be learned. Learning 1 to 15 cubes is very important. Not only learning, you have to remember them, by heart them. Okay, but this video will help you how to write them, and I will tell you small tips how to remember them. Okay, let's get started. Okay, before starting this 1 to 15 cubes, I will tell you what is a cube. A cube means multiplying a number itself 3 times. Okay, let me take a number A. I am multiplying it 3 times with itself. It will result as in a cube. It means you are adding a times, it will become a square. Again you are adding a square a times, it will make a cube. Let me take an example. You are multiplying 3 times. Okay, first if you are adding 3 times, you will get 9. Okay, this is square, 3 square into 3. Okay, when you are multiplying 9 with 3, it means you are adding 9 3 times. So it will result in 27. So understand here, you are multiplying 3 into 3 into 3. It means first you are doing a square, again you are adding this 3 square 3 times to get a cube. Okay, so adding 3 square 3 times means 3 square, 3 square, 3 square. 3 square is 9, 3 square is 9, 3 square is 9. 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27. This is the result. Clear, dear students? Okay. Now let me explain you the squares, cubes. One cube, it means 1 square into 1. 1 square is 1 into 1 will result as in 1. 2 cube, 2 square into 2, 2 to the 4 into 2, it's 8. 3 cube, 3 cube into 3 square into 3, 9 into 3, which results in 27. 4 cube, 4 square into 4, 16, 16 into 4. Remember the tables concept. 4 6 are 24, 2 plus 4, 64. Very good. Next, 5 cube, 5 square into 5. 5 5 is 25 into 5. 5 5 is 25. Here, unit space is 5. 2 remaining. 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Good. 6 cube, 6 square into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6. Same table concept. Whenever you get a chance to do the calculations with mind, please don't use calculators. Use your mind as many times as possible. Okay, 6 6 are 36. Okay, 6 3 are 18. 18 plus 3, this 3 remaining. 18 plus 3, 2 1 6. Okay, 7 cube, 7 square into 7, it's 49. 49 into 7, 3 4 3. Good. 8 cube, 8 square into 8, 8 is 64, 64 into 8. Same concept. 8 4 is 32, 8 6 is 48 plus 3, 51, 5 and 2. Okay. Next, let's go for 9 cube. 9 cube is equal to 9 square into 9, 9 9s are 81, 81 into 9. Same, 9 1s are 9, 72. 9 is 72. Simple. Okay. 10 cube, 10 square into 10, 100 into 10. 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 11 cube, 11 square into 11, 11, 11 0, 121 into 11. So whenever when you find something getting multiplied with 11, simple. 121, take one space, again 121. 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay. So 12 cube, 12 square, into 12, 12 12s are 144, 144 into 12. See, 2 4s are 8, 172, 1728. Okay, 13 cube, 13 square into 13. How much? 13 square is 169. Good. Okay, 169 into 13. How much? Again, same concept. First you write the units place. If you don't remember, 290, 2197. Okay. Next, 14 cube, 14 square into 14. We remember squares. After 169, we get 196 into 14. Again, same units place will be 4. Remember, 274. Okay. Next, 15 cube, 15 square into 15. How much? 15 square. After 196 we get 225 into 50. Okay, same units place 5. 3375. So dear students, learning and remembering cubes will increase the speed and accuracy in your calculations. Okay, so just I want to reiterate, like I want to repeat it once. Okay, 1 cube is 1, please say along with me. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000, 11 cube is 1331, 12 cube is 1728, 13 cube is 2197, 14 cube is 2744, 15 cube is 3375. Okay, so remember the cubes, write them 5 times. My suggestion is write them 5 times. First time see and write. Second time don't see, you will be forgetting 1 or 2 numbers, that's it, 1 or 2 cubes. Third time, for the second time you just see back and read. Third time you write it without seeing, again you may forget 1 or 2, you may get confused again. Fourth time you will write it without any turning back. Fifth time you write it fast. Okay, let's rock the math.